Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Here I am going to share the recipe of a chicken tomato roast. Wash and clean 500 grams of chicken and cut into medium sized pieces. Marinate the cleaned chicken pieces with 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and mix well and keep it in refrigerator for half an hour. Shallow fry the marinated chicken pieces till it becomes golden brown and the chicken is half cooked. When it is done, remove the chicken pieces from the pan. To the same pan, add 3 medium onions sliced and salt. Cook till onion becomes golden brown in color. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste each and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add 2.5 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, fry for a minute or so or till oil starts appearing. Add 2 medium tomatoes sliced and curry leaves. Mix well and cook till tomatoes become soft. Add fried chicken pieces and give a good stir. Now cover and cook for few minutes. Add 3/4 cup of thick coconut milk, few curry leaves, cook till the gravy is very thick. The chicken pieces should be cooked well and coated well with masala. This curry has a semi-gravy consistency. So cover and cook for few minutes. The chicken tomato roast is now ready. This curry has a semi-dry consistency and the chicken pieces are coated well with thick masala. You can serve this along with rice, roti or appam. Do try out this recipe and do let me know your feedbacks. And share with your friends and families. See you with more videos. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.